They burned the bread before we touched it. They stole the stars before we wished. We buried names before we learned them, and drew our dreams in ash and mist.
Tell me, do you taste your freedom while we choose silence in the dark? Does your sky ever bleed hunger while we vanish mark by mark?
There are no crumbs left in Gaza, not a drop, not a light, not a name. We are echoes wrapped in silence. We are children born to flame.
Can you hear us in your comfort? Can you feel us in your sleep?
Gaza screams without a language, buried deep.